Hey, let me show you how you can fix issue when you cannot receive phone calls on your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So as you can see here, I have some missed calls and I don't have notifications and all. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to be sure that you switch off the Do Not Disturb mode and also the focus mode. The focus mode will be available right here in the settings, and you have to be sure that it is not turned on, the same with the Do Not Disturb mode. Also, you have to go into the notifications, open up notifications, go into the phone and be sure that you enable both of these notifications, all of them actually. And now, if you still cannot receive notifications, but for example, from a specific, if you cannot receive calls from specific callers, you have to be sure that you go into these into the phone dialer, click on the three dots in the right upper corner and open settings. And now, first of all, you have to be sure that you switch off this filter spam calls. Maybe for some reason the someone that is calling to you is actually detected as a spam caller. But also be sure that you don't add this number to the block list. And also, if your caller, if someone that called you set his number into the, hide its caller ID, then it will actually will be not able to call you if you enable this. So be sure that you turn off this calls from unknown callers. And also, when you go into the calling accounts right here, be sure that you don't have enabled the call forwarding. But if it still doesn't work, if all the call forwarding settings are switched to the off, then you can try to go into the settings, open sound and the network and internet. Now go for SIM cards, go into your SIM card, and now be sure that you actually switch the Wi-Fi calling. And that will be all. That's all my tips that you can try to fix this. Let me know if it works, and that will be all. Thanks for watching.